Welcome to the Management School. The Management School is amongst an elite group of business schools to hold the gold standard triple accreditation, so it's really exciting to be a student here.
These accreditations recognize the excellent standard of teaching, high degree of corporate connections, as well as our gold standard MBA programs too. Another reason the Management School is such an exciting school to be a part of is the state-of-the-art Bloomberg suite.
This trading room is the largest of its kind in any UK university.
Alongside the degree programs, students have access to specialist career support from one-to-one appointments right here in the Management School.
We also have a wide range of extracurricular activities and social events, which often includes some really interesting guest speakers.
As a student, it is clear that the ULMS programs have a focus on maximizing our career prospects and development.
The experience of being a management school student is enhanced by the amazing connections to organizations across the world and exciting research.
The facilities inside the management school itself are excellent and make it a great place to be a student.
Thanks for taking a look around. Hope to see you soon.